Today we're going to work on SAT complex number question. And this question is testing you on if you know how to carry out a division of division of complex numbers. So we are dividing 3 minus 5i by 8 plus 2i. So this is what we are trying to calculate. All right. And the way to do it is we are going to multiply this number by a special fraction that is made up of its conjugate. So the terminology. So 8 plus 2, is a complex number. And we say, what is this number conjugate? The conjugate of 8 plus 2i is 8 minus 2i. Right? That's the conjugate. So we create artificially a fraction that is made up of in numerator and denominator both the conjugate of this complex number. And we can do that because the numerator is the same as the denominator, so implicitly it is 1. So once we do that, let's start with the denominator first. The denominator, you have 8 plus 2i times 8 minus 2i. And what is that? According to the special binomial product formula, the formula is like a plus b times a minus b, and that's going to equal to a squared minus b squared. So this is the formula here. So a squared minus b squared, in this case, means 8 squared minus the square of 2i. The square of 2i is 4i squared. The square of 8 is 8 squared, right? And then the numerator is a little bit slightly complicated. We need to multiply these two together. So the first term, so we need to multiply 3 by 8. So this is 24. And then we need to multiply 3 by negative 2i, and this is negative 6i. All right. And then we need to multiply negative 5i by 8, so this is negative 40i. So the last item is negative 5i times negative 2i. Then you have this 10i squared. Right? So that finished the multiplication of the two complex number in the numerator. So this is what we have. And we're going to simplify this. Now, this question already tells you, if you know I is the imaginary number, which is defined to be the square root of negative 1. And the square of this number will then lead to negative 1, right? So 10 times I squared, meaning 10 times negative 1. So this will turn out to be minus 10. So this is where this comes from, right? So 24 minus 10i. And then you have minus 6i minus 40i. So they sum to negative 46i. All right. And 8 squared gives you 64. This one, once again, is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 4 becomes plus 4. So after all the algebraic manipulation, we come down to this. We can simplify this further. 24 minus 10, this is 14 here. 24 minus 10. Then subtract 46i divided by 68. So there is this common factor of 2. You divide every term by 2. So 14 becomes 7, 46 becomes 23, 68 becomes 34. And then rewrite this. 7 divided by 34. This is the real number part of the complex number, and then the imaginary part is 23 divided by 34 negative. Right? So which one of the choices is this? So you see that this choice C is correct. Right? So this is a complex number question on SAT. Okay. Please subscribe my channel. I will continue to upload more and more solutions. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.